Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Ticketmaster app not working. So guys, the first method is to make sure you have the latest version of the app. So go to your Google Play Store, and then from here just search for Ticketmaster and tap on the application. And then from this page, you should be able to see if there is any update on the app, and you should be able to update it. And the second option, guys, is go to the settings and tap on the apps. And then from here, just scroll down and try to find Ticketmaster, or you can try to use this search button and type on Ticketmaster. And from here, guys, just tap on the storage and clear cache and also clear data. So, guys, this should be able to fix your Ticketmaster app. And guys, the third and last option that you have is try reinstalling the application. So first, uninstall the app. And then once it is uninstalled, just go back to the Google Play Store and install the application again. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your Ticketmaster application. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!